hawak.
Nasa yung
Okay
camera?
guys, mapunta na to.
Nasa yung camera?
Mapunta po kami sa ano, mabili po kaming coca tula po sa
Buo ka, baliktad. Hi guys, welcome to
our vlog.
i-edit to ni Tita Cherry, alam ko yan. Wait lang, muna tayong flash. Papapogi lang ako.
Maganda
Yung
lang.
bangs ko hindi handa.
Oo, yan.
Tanga dito
100,
picture.
wait lang, igato mo lang. 100, pambili namin ng Coke, 1.5. Binigyan kami ng mag-asawa.
Meron kaming educational interaction of the educational intelligence in the pokirate na
AI.
kirikitikito.
Artificial Intelligence.
Artificial. Hindi ano, isip tayong pamatalino.
Sino yun? Gabi, nakaka...
Hindi. Si, ano yan, si Tutoy. Ano
Ay,
yan? Yung ano, yung...
Tas-tas mo. Yan.
Tang ina, ang dili mo!
Okay guys, bibili kami ng Coke.
Hindi maano tayo, hindi. English tayo, English.
Okay.
So, we're
So,
going
guys,
to buy 1.5.
We're gonna buy 1.5
And-
for our midnight snack.
Yeah. Midnight, it's already 9, bobo ka.
Okay na yan.
And that's why gonna buy so we can buy other 1.5
Then,
because it's so yummy, even it's so cold, it's snowing in the Philippines. Meron kaming power para maging malamig. Buldak tangak. Pwede naman bilhin sa TikTok, kaso 5 piraso lang.
Okay,
Unti-unti
guys.
daw nun laman, kailangan pa ng gatas para
Hindi
maging
na kayo
creamy. Bobo din ka naman nakakatawa sila. Mabinta ka, chili chip naman.
Okay,
Hello guys.
We're here na.
Biko dito.
On box sari-sari store.
Yeah, we're here.
Ay, pabili nga po ng 1.5. Royal. Wala daw, be.
Wow, Sprite. What the fuck?
Saan tayo napunta? Wala daw, guys.
Sa inyo wala?
Wala.
Ay di, kinalunan ni Tanga, di tayo nagdaan.
Tara na.
Meron yan, tara.
Okay?
Gara da.
Kasama naman ako.
Sama ka? Ah, sige,
Then-
kasama ka na.
We're gonna back. Ay. We're gonna back. We're gonna reverse walk.
Ano na sasabihin? Ikaw na, sasabihin. Hello guys.
Ah.
So, wait lang, tumahimik ka. And we have a news that Cherry May, Nicole, and Jasmine, and Tomboy is gonna drink some milk
Some
tea.
alcohol?
Alcohol?
Yes, because
Ay,
it's
nito nga pala, kala ko nasa baba yung camera.
gin.
Just, so, we're gonna buy to our lovely
Lovely Lola.
Lola.
Hello!
So,
Pa, 1.5.
tagal naman yan. Hello guys. So, ay, where are ya? Oh yeah, no.
1.5.
Kita niyo yung bangs ko, pantay. Mukha na ako si Dora the Explorer.
Royal!
Tangos ng ilong ko, no? Eh?
Then,
Ang haba ng video.
after we ate.
Elementary pa lang.
Ang ganda sa ganyan. Titibok.
Nangin sila, oh. Tara mo, magagalit yan. Joke lang.
We're gonna put. Then.
So, hey guys. Pantak. Magmotor kayo, mabidyo ako, dalan nyo na.
75, ano lang to, 75.
Ay, gago, kala ko sila tita.
Okay, video mo ka. Then,
Bobo ka
here's
dito
the
kasi
royal.
ay, dito tayo. Harap tayo dito. Nay na nakabili na yung pinsang ko mukhang burata nagdudukit sa kantot. Ay.
Ito yun. Okay, edit yan. La! It's
Hoy!
icy siya, icy. Icy.
So we have successfully buy some more drinks.
Kasi nabot na natin. Bot.
So we are very happy.
Go.
Let's go.
Okay.
How many is our
The
change?
item.
Our
was bought-
change is
Wait lang.
25 pesos and 1 cent.
The royal was bought by me and Icy.
What do you mean bought by?
Bought? Kasi
Boyd.
past tense ng
Bo-
buy. Walang buy. Bot nga.
Boyd? Wag na nga.
Bot
Bot na
nga.
lang. Bot.
Bot nga yun.
Bot. Spell bot.
B-O-U-J-H-T. Bot.
Butang, may G pa yun.
Kaya nga, B-O-U-G-H-T.
So, stop it. We're gonna be... Ay,
Okay, guys. Ang ganda
guwapo ko
mag-vlog.
dito ah.
Ito na siya, guys.
So, nasa na yung dalawa?
We're gonna put there to the rep.
We are so happy because we just bought something special for us. No?
Yes.
Wala siyang
Then,
0.5 kupal din.
after we ate, then we're gonna
Yeah. Yeah.
Uy, si Mochi, isashock tayo.
No. It's gonna be so particularly in the food.
Janok.
We just got shocked by Shinji.
Then, the royal was bought by me and Icy, then Gucci.
There is no matter anything everywhere. Thank you, Lord. So,
Ay, nag-vlog po tayo.
we're done vlogging. Nandito na yung may-ari.